All right, hello. Today we're going to be doing Module 3, Lesson 15, and our objective is that we're going to interpret the unknown in multiplication and division to model and solve problems. Now remember, whenever we have an unknown, that's the thing that we just don't know in the problem. We've been putting letters there. So today let's put some letters in some problems. Okay, before we get started with that, I want to practice a little bit of division. Now, we've been doing a lot with nines, like practicing our multiplication, like 4 times 9. What was that? 4 times 9 was 1 less in the tens spot. 4 plus what equals 10? 6. 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, now let's turn this into a division problem. So now we put this over here, we put this here, and let's say we have 36 divided by 9. We need to be thinking, what times 9 makes 36? Well, what times 9? 4 times 9 equals 36. So 36 divided by 9 is 4. It's very similar to subtraction. All right, now let's try 2 more. This time let's do 72 divided by 9. What is that? Well, what times 9 equals 72? Oh, that's right, that's 8. So 72 divided by 9 is 8. Let's do this one. 54 divided by 9. What would that be? Well, what times 9 would equal 54? That would be 6, right? Okay. Now, on to the next problem here. Okay. Ada buys 9 packs of highlighters with 4 in each pack. After giving 1 highlighter to each classmate, she has 17 left. How many highlighters did Ava give away? Okay, so this is a 2-step problem. What do we need to do first? First, we need to find out how many she started with. And then we need to find out, well, if she has how many left, we know how many left, we will need to find out how many she gave away and how many classmates she would have, right? And however many she gave away is the number of classmates she has. So first, let's find out how many she has. So we're going to multiply because it's 9 groups of 4. So let's write that. 9 times 4, and that's what we don't know. I'm going to call it H because it is for highlighters. Okay, so H, what will H be? 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, but she has 17 left. So what should I do with this 36? I got to take some away, right? To find out the missing. Because we can do it this way. We can do 17 plus an unknown equals 36. Or we can do it this way. 36 take away 17 gives us an unknown. Let's just say L. Do a cursive L for left. Now the reason why I do cursive L is because if I do it like this, it looks like a 1. And I can't remember if it's an L or a 1. Okay. So let's do that. 36 take away 17. Whoops. Here we go. Okay. I have to regroup. 16 take away 7 is 9. 2 tens take away 1 is 1 10. So how many highlighters did she give away? 19 highlighters. But how many kids in our class? There'd be 19 kids in our class, right? Okay, so you need to write the sentence. Gave away 19 highlighters. Please write this, the whole sentence. Now, what if you can't spell highlighters? Look, it's right here, so use it. Okay? Let's do another problem. This one's about Eliza. Eliza finds a bag of 72 marbles and runs to share them with 8 of her friends. She's so excited that she drops the bag and loses 18 marbles. How many marbles will Eliza and each of her friends get? Once again, this problem is going to mean that you have to do 2 different things. The last one we multiplied and then we subtracted. You're going to have to do 2 things. Because first, I have to find out how many marbles she has to give away. And then I have to figure out how much each one of our friends gets. So I'm going to subtract first. I'm going to do 72 marbles, take away 18. And that is going to give me the unknown. So I'm going to put an M for marbles. Okay. It's hard for me to do that direction, so I'm going to go this direction. Nope, you're going to have to regroup. 12. Can you see that right there? 12, take away 8 is 4. We have 54. Okay, now let's see. She's got how many friends? She runs to share them with her friends. Now, how many marbles will Eliza and each of her friends get? Well, how many friends does she have? So Eliza would be one person plus 8 of her friends. So how many people are we going to divide or give them all to, distribute them to? We're going to give them to 1 plus 8 equals 9. So now I'm going to have to give away 54, and I want to give away equal amounts because Eliza wants them to. So let's write this as an equation. You must write your equations. 54 divided by 9 kids equals something. This is what we want. Let's say another letter. Let's say F. It doesn't even matter what letter you pick. Okay, so 54 divided by 9. So this actually is M. M equals 54. I should have written that before. Okay, 54 divided by 9. Well, what times 9 gives us 54? Oh my goodness, look what that would be. That would be F. Whatever it is, that's going to be F, the thing we don't know. The unknown gets to have a letter. Okay, so 9 times what gives me 54? 9 times 6 gives me 54, but 6 what? How many marbles will Eliza and each of her friends get? They will each get 6 marbles. Okay, now, I don't want just to say 6 marbles. I want a sentence from now on because we're getting ready to do this. Each kid will get how many marbles? 6 marbles. Okay. Period. Now, before you start your homework, please make sure your name is on your 10 free points paper. Please make sure Module 3, Lesson 15 is on it as well, so I can give you your 10 free points. All right. See you soon. Have a good day.